use to promote for that Zoom for tomorrow night. So I'm being very intentional. That's what we need to do as leaders. If we want to help people go exec director, we need to be good at goal setting and have a plan attached to it to help them achieve those goals. So getting back to the ED goals, written, specific, meaningful, timeline attached, they need to be shared. Goals need to be shared. They can't be silent in the back of their mind, in their own head. Yeah, I'm going to go for this. No, you need to have a workout partner that knows about it and has got accountability with you. Are you with them? Your workout partners, your upline leadership, your mentors, your downline needs to know about your goals so that they are, even if they don't have goals that are pressing for them, if they love and care about you, they might be willing to go do for you what they wouldn't go do for themselves. That's how some people operate. God bless those people. We need more people like that. And you need to share it with the world so that way you got accountability. You don't just let yourself off the hook. Oh, I didn't hit ED. No worries. Nobody knew I was going for it anyway. So many people live in the shadows, up in the bleachers. Nobody looking at them, so they think they can just sit there and do nothing. But when there's a little bit of peer pressure, public pressure, people perform better. So that's a little bit about goal selling and goal setting. You got to sell them on what, why, and how. Again, trainers. This is a trainer section right now. What, why, and how. Anytime you teach anything, it's what, why, and how.